Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on an Epson WorkForce WF-2830. Now this is nice and simple. It can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel. And although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make any button presses I make very clear so you can follow this regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you would like it changed to. So first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer. If your page doesn't look like this, just press the button on the left hand side with the little house symbol to be taken here. Now, we're going to use the right hand arrow, press once, twice, 3 times until settings is central on that screen. Then we press OK to go into there. And then we need to go to printer setup, which is option 3 of 13. So we're going to press right twice. Okay, 3 of 13, printer setup. That's okay. Then we need to use the right hand arrow to take ourselves along to option 7 of 12, which is language. Press OK. And here we have a full list of all the different languages your printer has. Just navigate to the one you require, press OK, and you are done. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.